70%. 70% of African Americans want to quit smoking. The fact is that Black smokers report a greater desire to quit smoking than others, but they are often less successful. The journey to quit smoking can be rocky and can begin with more than one false start. And that's okay. If you're one of the 70% of African American smokers who want to quit for good, I've got some ideas you can use right now to get you that win. If you're a public health professional who wants to support African Americans on their quit journey, stick around. I have some important outreach tips for you too. I'm not gonna lie, quitting is hard. The truth is the tobacco industry has been working for decades to make you their most loyal customer. And trust me when I say their pockets are fat and you don't need to give them any more of your money or any more years of your life. Did you know that tobacco is still the #1 killer of African Americans, taking more lives than homicide, suicide, car accidents, and HIV combined? We want big tobacco out of our communities. The tobacco industry pretends to love us, but they don't. They look to sponsor our events, give money to our HBCUs, and pay off civic leaders and our elected officials. Then it seems like our most trusted Black voices support big tobacco's agenda. But the tobacco industry does not think our lives matter. That's why they won't tell you that when the government tries to protect Americans from hazardous and alluring products like candy-flavored cigarettes and Juul that attracts little kids to smoking, the tobacco industry goes to work. They do everything they can to make sure that the deadly products most common in our community, Swisher Sweets, Black and Milds, and menthols, stay on the market. But they're not getting over us, and they're not getting over you. So let's talk about how you can start the journey to liberation, health, and freedom from tobacco. First, try to get your friends and family on board. Sometimes they'll be the main ones making it hard for you to quit, but they ultimately want what's best for you. So let them know that you're serious about quitting by announcing the day you plan to start. Get them on board and make them a part of your quit team. That way they'll be understanding of your challenging days and be ready to celebrate every successful milestone. Now, when it comes to setting your quit date, you need to get prepared for it. That means choosing a day that's a little into the future and not today. Think about what you need to be most successful so that you can plan ahead and be confident when that day rolls around. Next, I want you to call your state's quit line at 1-800-QUIT-NOW. This free phone call will be worth it. You'll instantly be connected with someone who knows what you're going through. They can provide you with personal coaching and other resources to get you across the finish line. Don't forget to ask if they can supply you with free nicotine replacement medication. Lastly, get passionate about this decision. The tobacco industry has specifically targeted African Americans with menthols for decades, and they are currently spreading baseless misinformation about how a ban on menthol would criminalize Black people. And that's just not true. The real truth is that menthols make smoking easier to start and harder to quit. And surveys show that if there were bans on menthols, African Americans would make the decision to quit, not start an illegal black market. Even the FDA has stated that menthols present a real threat to public health. So get angry about injustice, get motivated to break addiction, and get inspired to win this time. Visit social media accounts like Tobacco Free CDC and Black Body Health to keep you looking forward to your own healthier future. I want you to get your hands on the 70% Toolkit. It is designed to help you conduct culturally appropriate outreach. This toolkit will help you think about who your best partners will be as you start to reach out and connect with those who want to quit. It will introduce you to the critically important history of tobacco's infiltration into the Black community. The toolkit will also give you important insights for you to consider when getting to know our diverse people. Visit the website on your screen to download the toolkit right now. Remember, 70% of us want to get tobacco out of our communities and out of our lives. Quitting is hard, but not impossible. Can we do it? Yes, we can.